Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm out here today on the Honda CRF 300L, and I am going to show you guys something that you really ought to think about, especially if you're working on your motorcycle, electrical components and stuff like that. This is the Tusk First Line Contact Cleaner. Now, when you spray electrical components, you don't want to just use anything to clean it. You take them apart, you want to clean them when you're cleaning your bike up. If you got it tore down, you're going to put it back together. You want to make sure stuff is clean and dry and safe. So you don't want to use anything like WD-40 or anything like that to clean out the thing. It'll just actually make your contact worse. That's why you want to use a good contact cleaner like the Tusk First Line Contact Cleaner. Mainly whenever you're cleaning it, you want to make sure that you get all the oil, the grease, and the grime off of the electrical components. So basically what you'd use this on is anytime you unplug something, you want to go ahead and take and clean it up before you put it back together. You don't want no dirt and grime in there. Any of the electrical connectors, if you take your headlight bulb out, clean that contact, your switches inside your handlebar, when you take that apart and you want to clean it with some good contact cleaner. So that way, whenever you go and you put it back together, you're going to be nice and clean and dry and ready for reassembly. So this is safe on most surfaces, keeps it dry, it leaves no residue, and it has a nice citrus smell to it also. So that's why I keep contact cleaner in the shop. I have a couple cans of this on hand all the time. And you can use it on motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, everything like that. You can even use this on your car parts. It doesn't matter. You can even use this on your lawnmower, whatever. It's just contact cleaner. But it's just that the Tusk stuff is a good price for the quantity you get. So I just spray it all down like that. And then before you go and put it back together, you want to make sure to let it dry. Then you can just plug it right back together. Don't take long to dry at all. And as I said, that will keep all the oily, greasy residue off anything and make you have a nice, clean contact. So guys, I just wanted to show you the Tusk First Line Contact Cleaner. Thank you all for watching. Now, you can get this from Rocky Mountain ATV MC. And I do have a affiliate link in the description below where you can check this out. I have everything for your Honda CRF 300L. So when you go to my affiliate page, if there's something on there you don't see you'd like for me to add, just let me know and I can add that to it. Thank you all for watching. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Ride on.